guys, it's Sabrina, and today I did this really simple halo eye look using just the Modern Renaissance palette. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe, and yeah, so if you want to know how to do this look, just keep watching. Okay, so first I'm going to be taking raw sienna and putting that in my crease. Next, I'm going to be taking left letter and putting that on my crease in my outer and inner corner. Okay, so the next I'm going to be taking Venetian red and putting that on my outer and inner corner as well. On top of that, I'm going to be putting red ochre just to make it a little more red. Okay, so then next I'm going to be carving the middle of my eyes to make room for the halo. Okay, next I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter primer as well as Vermeer and putting that where we just concealed. Okay, to blend everything out, I'm going to be taking red ochre and Venetian red and blending the outer and inner corner of my eyes with the halo. Okay, so next I'm going to be carving out the outsides of my eye just to clean it up a bit. Okay, so next I'm going to be doing a wing liner with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black. Okay, so now that I have my eyeliner done, I'm going to go do my face makeup real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my face makeup done, I'm going to do my bottom lash line. So I'm going to be taking Love Letter and Venetian red and just putting that on my bottom lash line. Okay, and then I'm also going to be taking raw sienna and kind of smoking at the bottom lash line. Okay, so for inner corner, I'm going to be taking the NYX glitter primer as well as this Physicians Formula palette. I'm going to be taking this first shade and putting it in my inner corner. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Precious Petals as well as Summer and the Glow Kit Sun Dipped. Yeah. Okay, so next I'm going to be putting on the Better Than Sex mascara and the Ardell Wispies, and I'll be right back. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be taking Urban Decay's lipstick in F-Bomb. This is the final look, and if you like this video, make sure to subscribe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day.